Greetings, photographers. Let's talk about turning a color image to black and white in Pixlr. So super easy, just a couple of steps get you to black and white. You'll see I'm in Pixlr. I have my image loaded that I'm working with. I'm going to come over here to the Adjust tab and click that to open it and scroll all the way up to the top. And here's my black and white button. I'm just going to go ahead and click that. And it's going to turn my image from color to black and white. And then I click Apply. And all done. You might think you're done, but honestly, anytime you turn an image from color to black and white, you should always take a look at your contrast. A lot of times what I find is that images that were originally shot in color and then converted to black and white become very gray. They don't have that full value range from black to white. They sit in the middle and they just have gray to lighter gray. So let's take a look at the contrast on this image. Let's mess with it a little bit and see if we can make this image a little bit better. So I'm going to click on Adjust again and then scroll down until I see Contrast. And I'm just going to pull my contrast up a little. Let's try 12 and see what happens. Like, it really darkened up my background, but I love this black on the branch. It's really lovely. I'm going to go ahead and click Apply. So now I have this new one. Let's take a look at the difference between the original. Here's the original and the new one. I really like the new one. It really pulls the white of the flowers up and gives me good contrast between those flowers and that dark branch. But that is an artistic choice and it is up to you, the artist. I do, though, suggest you take a minute and look at your contrast when you convert. Then you're ready to save by clicking Save. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye, guys!